Illuminate your home with a stunning backlit onyx stone fireplace wall. Hello, and welcome to our video about the captivating world of backlit onyx stone fireplace walls. In this video, we'll explore the allure of this stunning design element and how the MagikFlame Insert can help you achieve this luxurious look in your own home. Get ready to be inspired as we delve into the beauty and versatility of backlit onyx stone. Please take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The beauty of backlit onyx stone. Onyx is a translucent and visually stunning natural stone that has been prized for centuries for its unique appearance and versatility. When used in fireplace design, onyx can create a breathtaking focal point that draws the eye and sets the tone for the entire room. However, the true magic of onyx is revealed when it is backlit. Backlighting enhances the stone's inherent beauty by allowing light to pass through its translucent surface, creating a soft, warm glow that illuminates the room. This effect is particularly striking when used in a stone fireplace surround, as the interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing display of color and texture. The allure of onyx. Onyx is a variety of chalcedony, a form of microcrystalline quartz that is renowned for its unique banding and patterns. These patterns are created by the deposition of different minerals during the stone's formation, resulting in a wide range of colors and textures. One of the most striking features of onyx is its translucency, which allows light to pass through the stone and create a warm, glowing effect. This property is what makes onyx such a popular choice for backlit stone fireplace walls and other architectural features. Backlighting techniques. To achieve the stunning effect of a backlit onyx fireplace, a variety of backlighting techniques can be employed. One popular method is to use LED strip lighting, which can be easily concealed behind the onyx panels or within the fireplace surround itself. Another option is to use a combination of LED and fiber optic lighting, which can create a more dynamic and visually interesting effect. Fiber optic lighting can be used to create the illusion of flickering flames or glowing embers, adding an extra layer of realism to the fireplace display. Benefits of using the MagikFlame Insert. While a backlit onyx fireplace is undeniably beautiful, achieving this look can seem daunting. Fortunately, the MagikFlame Insert makes it easier than ever to create a stunning stone fireplace surround without the hassle of a traditional fireplace installation. The MagikFlame Insert is designed to fit seamlessly into most existing fireplace cavities, allowing you to create a floor-to-ceiling onyx surround with minimal construction. This innovative electric fireplace insert offers a range of benefits, including easy installation, customization options, versatility, and advanced features. The MagikFlame difference. What sets the MagikFlame Insert apart from other electric fireplaces on the market is its patented HoloFlame technology. This cutting-edge system uses real video footage of actual fires, projected onto a physical log set, to create an ultra-realistic flame effect that is virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. The HoloFlame technology incorporates fine details such as smoke, burning embers, and multicolored flames that accurately mimic the natural variations found in real fires. These visuals are accompanied by authentic crackling and popping sounds recorded from real fires using high-quality microphones and professional audio equipment, creating a truly immersive experience. Customizing your fireplace experience. One of the standout features of the MagikFlame Insert is the ability to customize your fireplace experience to suit your preferences and mood. With 30 different flame options to choose from, you can create a look that ranges from a cozy, crackling fire to a mesmerizing display of dancing flames. In addition to the flame options, the MagikFlame Insert also allows you to adjust the built-in heater to create the perfect level of warmth and comfort. With a powerful 5,200 BTU output, this heater can quickly and efficiently warm spaces up to 1,000 square feet, making it an excellent choice for living room fireplaces and other large gathering areas. Designing your onyx fireplace surround. When it comes to designing your backlit onyx stone fireplace wall, the possibilities are endless. One popular option is to create a floor-to-ceiling surround that spans the entire wall, creating a dramatic and immersive focal point for the room. Another approach is to incorporate the Onyx into a more traditional fireplace design, using it as an accent material for the hearth, mantel, or even as a decorative accent wall flanking the fireplace itself. Complementary materials and finishes. While Onyx is undoubtedly the star of the show in a backlit fireplace design, it's important to consider complementary materials and finishes that can enhance the overall look and feel of the space. For a more traditional or rustic aesthetic, pairing the Onyx with natural wood elements, such as a reclaimed wood mantle or stone veneer panels, can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. In a more contemporary setting, sleek metal accents or a minimalist concrete surround can provide a striking contrast to the warm glow of the backlit Onyx. Installation options and considerations. When it comes to installing a backlit Onyx stone fireplace wall, there are several options and considerations to keep in mind. One of the most popular choices is to replace an existing gas or traditional fireplace with an Onyx surround and MagikFlame Insert. If you're starting from scratch or looking to create a custom fireplace design, working with a residential architect or interior designer can help you bring your vision to life. These professionals can guide you through the process of selecting materials, designing your surround and mantel, and ensuring that your fireplace meets all necessary safety and building codes. Electrical and lighting considerations. One of the key considerations when installing a backlit Onyx fireplace is ensuring that the electrical and lighting components are properly integrated into the design. This may involve running new wiring, installing LED strip lighting, and creating a custom control system to manage the backlighting effect. It's important to work with licensed electricians and lighting professionals who can ensure that the installation meets all local building codes and safety standards. They can also provide guidance on the most effective lighting techniques and products to achieve the desired effect. Safety and building codes. When installing any type of fireplace, safety should be a top priority. While the MagikFlame Insert is designed to be a safe and efficient alternative to traditional fireplaces, it's still important to follow all relevant building codes and safety guidelines. This may include ensuring that the fireplace surround is properly supported and secured, maintaining appropriate clearances from combustible materials, and installing smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms in the vicinity of the fireplace, even though the MagikFlame does not produce any real fire. Maintenance and care. Once your backlit Onyx stone fireplace wall is installed, regular maintenance and care can help keep it looking its best for years to come. Some tips for maintaining your fireplace include dusting the Onyx surface regularly with a soft, dry cloth to remove any accumulated debris, avoiding the use of harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that could damage the stone, checking the electrical components, and lighting regularly to ensure they are functioning properly, scheduling annual inspections and maintenance with a qualified fireplace technician. Outdoor applications and fire pits. While backlit Onyx fireplaces are most commonly found in indoor living spaces, the beauty and versatility of this material also lends itself to outdoor applications. One popular option is to incorporate backlit Onyx into an outdoor fireplace or fire pit design. Imagine a cozy seating area surrounded by a glowing Onyx fire pit, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for entertaining or simply enjoying a cool evening under the stars. The soft, flickering light of the backlit Onyx can create a truly magical ambience in an outdoor setting. Design inspiration and ideas. When it comes to designing a backlit Onyx fireplace, the possibilities are truly endless. From sleek and modern to rustic and cozy, the right design can transform your living space into a warm and inviting oasis. Whether you prefer a minimalist, floor-to-ceiling surround with clean lines and a seamless integration of the MagikFlame Insert, or a rustic, cozy design with natural stone veneer panels and reclaimed wood accents, a backlit Onyx fireplace can be tailored to suit your personal style and taste. Conclusion. A Backlit Onyx stone fireplace wall is a true statement piece that can transform any room into a luxurious and inviting space. With its translucent beauty and warm, glowing ambience, Onyx is the perfect material for creating a fireplace that is both visually stunning and emotionally engaging. By combining the beauty of Onyx with the convenience and flexibility of the MagikFlame Insert, homeowners can now achieve this look with ease and confidence. Whether you're replacing an existing fireplace or starting from scratch, the MagikFlame Insert offers a range of benefits and customization options that make it the perfect choice for any fireplace makeover. If you're ready to illuminate your home with the beauty and ambience of a Backlit Onyx stone fireplace wall, we encourage you to explore the possibilities with the MagikFlame Insert. Visit the MagikFlame website today to learn more about this innovative product and discover how it can help you transform your space into the home of your dreams. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality videos like this one.